I cannot believe that these were $5 on Kmart. On Kmart? At Kmart. Hold on, let me show you. Look at these things. These tubs. I'm organizing right now. Oh, I needed these because I need to organize all the mask straps that I have and mask tamers that I have. And yeah, they were just in boxes like this before. And now they're going into these. And yes, it's still messy from before. I wouldn't say messy, but you know, we're keeping large bags of flour and rice there because we have a lot of that. Well, we don't have a lot of flour, but I just want a big bag. And then I haven't had a chance to, you know, put it away. It's fine there for now. Anyway, I digress. So yeah, I went to Kmart just before. I meant to vlog it, but I forgot to because I got semi-rushed out the door. I was kind of taking a nap, and then I wasn't prepared. I had to leave. So yes, what we're doing now is we are moving the ones that I have left in the boxes into these containers down here, and we've already done one of the boxes. So let's go and do the other ones now. So kind of organized day for me. Took today off from work, official work, and by official I mean working at some other job that gives me money instantaneously rather than my business, and decided to do a bunch of other stuff. This is one of them. So look, I'm gonna be honest with you guys here. I didn't expect to get this shipment the way that it is. They're kind of all in plastic, and I don't know why. They should just be like a bunch in plastic, but each one is individually wrapped, and I have no idea why. And it really sucks because I'm pretty against plastic in general, as you know, as much as someone can be in today's world, if you know what I mean. Like you kind of can't escape plastic, but I think this is kind of escapable, and I don't know, they just look at that. It's all in plastic, and I didn't want that, and I'm gonna, oh my god, what's going on outside? Hold on. Yeah, so I didn't want this to happen. I'm gonna be talking to my supplier about this because this is not how my first shipment came, and I just assumed it wasn't gonna come like I never expected this at all. Like I couldn't imagine that they were gonna do this. Yeah, so if you see something that you don't like here, don't worry, I don't like it too, and it's gonna change in the future. Anyway, what we're doing is we're just separating them all out into these boxes here, and just clearing these bigger boxes out in favor of these smaller little tubs. And look, I mean, these tubs are plastic, so that's what I mean. Like, you can't really escape it in today's world. But I try to just only use what I need to, depending on the situation. And for now, you know what? It's gonna take too long to pull all of these out. There's the M. I said M, just like an English person would for some reason. This is the Eco-Ray design. Really nice. Cool. But yeah, what we'll do is we're just gonna put them in for now because I'm running out of time today to film some other stuff. It's already 8:15 p.m. My watch is dying. Thank you, Apple. Thank you very much for making iOS 18 Apple Watch version, whatever, 9, 10, 11, a very poor update for the whole, whatchamacallit, battery life situation. It's just terrible. Oh, it pains me to see this. It pains me. Why are they like this? And look, here's the thing. Like, I don't blame my supplier, because here, I'll explain a little bit about my situation, because you might be thinking like, God damn, that's a lot of plastic, and I am too. And I also don't have anything else to talk about while I do this. So my supplier is in China, big surprise, but he's a good supplier, and I really like him, and he really tries to work with me on what I want to get out of my products. And yeah, because I don't have the facilities to create this type of thing right now. Maybe in the future I can do that myself and invest in some sort of stuff to do that. But at the moment I can't do that, and that's a shame. But yeah, so I like my supplier. But the thing is, people in China, and you know, there's a lot of places around the world that are like this, but people in China and other places, like Maldives, for example, that stands out to me because I've been there so many times. They're not well educated on how plastic affects the earth. To them, this maybe seems nice, even like everything's individually wrapped, it's clean looking, nothing's touching anything, it's just kind of nice, I guess. Is what I would imagine they would be thinking. And that's, yeah, they just don't have the education. I would say the education, the level of education to understand the effects of this on the planet, as I pretty much just said. Because of that, this is the end result. This can happen, as evident by what you're looking at right now. Yeah, I don't really know exactly what to say about it. What I do know is that I should have maybe bought one more box, because I think I don't have enough space exactly for one of these. So, oopsie, that's a big oops. And I wanted to separate these out equally into their own, because I got a lot of these ones. I got a ton of these specific designs, because that's kind of how it works when you work with overseas suppliers. Sometimes you need to meet, or majority of the time, you need to meet a minimum order quantity, or MOQ, if you didn't know what that was. You may have heard of it if you're into the business side of things and you're looking into suppliers, and you've maybe talked to some. But if you are looking for some suppliers, you should try and find someone that's willing to work with you, who you actually like. And you don't want to deal with people who are annoying or also incompetent, if you know what I mean. Like, they say they can do stuff, but oh god, so I live near the road, sorry. Yeah, so they say they'll do this thing for you, perhaps, but all they really care about, they don't really care about your product or your business or working with you in general. All they care about is the bottom line, which, you know, I can't, I guess, necessarily fault them for caring about earning their money, which, you know, that everyone's trying to do. But the thing about people like that is you tend to run into problems, I find. And you could run into more problems in the future if you stick with a supplier like that. My supplier, I find, is different to that, thankfully, and I'm very happy for that. And I'm, yeah, a fan of his, because he helps me a lot. I appreciate him. So, oh, we got so many of these. Oh my god. I thought it was less. Well, I didn't know it was less, but I thought it might be. I thought it might fit in this box, but it doesn't even fit in the box. This is not good. That means I have to make another trip down to Kmart for a couple more $5 tubs. Well, what can you do? If you want to have a business, you want to try and keep things organized. And that's not me recently. That is not me at all. But I really want to adopt that. So that's what I'm trying to do. I wonder if I can fit a few more of these just flat on top here. Perhaps a few. Mayhaps. Maybe some like this. Geez, there's a ton. I'm gonna need 2 tubs for each of these. Oh boy. All right. Well, let's try and put a lid on this. Put a lid on this. You know what I'm saying? Okay. That actually just barely fits on. It's a squish, but let's move on to our next box. One sec. Let me grab it. Hold up. I only have 3. I have this one, that one, and another one which I filled up. Oh, I've kind of filled up already. Like, look at this. This is all full of the old one as well. Oh, man. Okay, well, I'm screwed. This is over. It was fun while it lasted. Jeez. Okay. Well, look, this is how much we got. Got through. I'm spinning you around. Sorry, a lot. Don't get dizzy. So we've got all these to go, but we got quite a bit out because that box was full. It was full, I tell you. Okay, what is that doing there? Don't know. This goes in here. That's our second last one of those. Then, yep, that's full of those, and I want to keep it fine like that. So we will close that one up. It's not sitting on there properly. I don't know why. There we go. There we go. And this one, it's too full, so I'm going to pull some out. I don't like overfilling things too much. And since I have to go get more of these tubs anyway, I just may as well get a few extra tubs because I'm going to continually use them over the course of my business as well until I can afford to have my products held at a warehouse, which may possibly be sooner than I think because I found out about a new company. It's called Fourth Wall, and what they do is offer completely free websites. And not only that, if you have a physical product, it's completely free to ship your products, to sell them on there. It's crazy. It's totally free. And the only time Fourth Wall makes money is if you sell, like they're also on demand. It's crazy. They offer a lot of on-demand products as far as I'm aware. I haven't really browsed their on-demand products, but it's really cool because they have that as well. Not only on-demand products, but you can sell your own products like I am, and you can sell digital products as well. The digital products and the on-demand products do incur a fee that they take. They take that fee, but if someone buys as far as I'm aware, if someone buys a physical product from you, it's totally free. So if you've got a physical product, it's a totally, sorry, I'm so excited. It's a totally free website. It's amazing. It's totally free. I couldn't believe it. I've been paying $38 actually dollars a month to Squarespace this whole time for this. Why am I doing that? Fourth Wall exists. I didn't know it exists. And the way that I found out how it exists is actually through YouTube, because YouTube supports Fourth Wall, and you can add products to YouTube once you have enough subscribers and you become a partner. So when I became a partner, I saw all the options you could connect with, and I didn't know a lot of them. And then when I went and looked up Fourth Wall, I saw it there. I was like, holy shit, this is good. So that's the one you want to go for if you're looking for free or cheap business setups and website and stuff. And you can even use your own domain. It's crazy. Fourth Wall is not sponsoring this video, but I'm happy to send everyone there. The other thing is I also sell on Etsy. Etsy takes a lot of money from you. So if you can get people to your Fourth Wall website, you can advertise on YouTube and stuff like that. Anywhere else, that is a win. Huge win. All right, I'm gonna just pack these up and put them on top of each other, and then I'm done for the night. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.